Let's go ahead and plug it in now that that cover's off. And if you listen closely, we get a little buzzing sound. So I'm going to disconnect the TV from power, and we're going to do some resistance checks with the multimeter. In ohms mode, I'm going to be doing resistance checks on these 4 diodes. These are the more common failing parts on this power supply. And this first one is showing about 1.9 kilo ohms. This second one down here, 43 kilo ohms. And this one's 0. So this one is shorted. And this one also appears to be showing us shorts. So we're gonna go ahead and take the power supply out of the TV and bring it to the soldering bench. We're gonna go ahead and remove these 4 diodes. Flipping the board over, we have the 4 joints right here, or sorry, 8 joints. I'm gonna start by adding extra solder to each joint. And now with my pliers, on one side, I'm going to be removing and pulling the diode out while melting the joint on the other side. Now one of the legs is removed. Okay, and that's my first diode. Now that I've removed my 4 diodes, I'm going to do another check and confirm that my shorts are gone. So in resistance, we're getting OL, which means there is open loop. So our shorts are definitely gone. So checking our diodes, I do have one of them is shorted, and looking at the other 3, we don't have a dead short. So what that means is out of the 4, only one of them was actually our issue. But of course we do want to replace all 4, because replacing only the one might mean that the other 3 could fail in the near future. And then using my desolder pump, I'm now going to clean up all the joints. Now if you can't get one of the holes nice and clear, sometimes it's actually a good idea to add a little bit more new solder. Now I'm going to be installing my new replacement diodes, and I've already pre-bent the pins so that they fit properly in the slots. Alright, all 4 new diodes are in circuit, so let's go ahead and solder those in now. And now we'll just cut off the excess, and finally do a little bit of cleanup with some 99.99% alcohol. And the board looks good as new. Let's go ahead and put it back in the TV and see if everything works. And one thing I want to note is I'm not hearing the buzzing sound, and I just heard a click as well. So let's take a look at the screen. Sure enough, look at that. We got a proper repair. So it looks like we have fixed the power supply. If you liked the video, leave us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.